Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Um, Today, we are going to start with our very first lecture, and its title is Basics of Environmental Sciences. So, you will see a lot of channels, a lot of educational resources where you can learn about environmental sciences and where you have been very much um, prone to or very much exposed to get the knowledge of environmental sciences. But here we are going to cover step by step guide to environmental sciences. We will cover every definition on the planet Earth that is existing about environmental sciences, about the fields of the environmental sciences, about different branches of the environmental sciences. So there is a lot that we are going to do, and there is a lot that we are going to study. So this is a very first video on this channel. This channel is officially dedicated to the knowledge of environmental sciences. So let's begin without any further ado. Today we are going to learn about what is environmental sciences. And if I define it, so it is basically a very multidisciplinary field where we can focus on the understanding and interactions between natural environment and human activities. Now the question is, what type of the natural environments and human activities have been associated with, and specifically in which specific categories they are falling. So for general, we categorize it under four different categories, in fact, five different categories, including biology, chemistry, ecology, physics, and geology. These five fields are very interesting. They almost cover every aspect that is happening on the planet Earth. And again, as we said before, its interaction with the human activities. So, by continuing this, we really want to focus upon that what is happening in Earth's ecosystem, what type of the environmental issues that we had seen before in past, and what are we observing right now, and what we are going to observe in the future based on the past data, definitely, and the present scenarios, and then we can project for future, and how this all is going to impact um, the human, and how the human actions are then responsible for the change on the planet Earth. So these are all the things um, that we are going to study, and that we are going to see. And five um, here are five major fields. Here are five major key areas of environmental sciences that we are going to study, that we are going to deal with. And number one is ecosystem dynamics. Um, it is basically going to tell us about how ecosystem functions and how organisms interact with their environment. Well, the second thing that we are going to study is about pollution and waste management. So the study of contaminants and waste products and how they affect air, water, and soil qualities basically comes under this category. And we know that there are a lot of contaminants. Even the smog that is going on in the Asian regions is the biggest example of contaminants and waste products in the air, especially. So, next is climate change. So, climate change is investigation of how human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, influence the global climate patterns. Resource management is, on the other hand, is talking about the sustainable use of conservation of natural resources, like we have water, we have different forms of energy systems, and definitely biodiversity. Last but not the least is the environmental policy. It tells us about the creation of different laws, regulations to which the human beings are bound to, and strategies to manage environmental problems. So, this is all about today's lecture. Hopefully, you have learned a lot. See you in the next video.